ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 90 ஸ்லோகா 8. யத் ப்ராஹ்ம கல்ப இஹ பாகவத த்விதீயः கந்தோதிதம் வபுः அநாவ்ருதமீஷ தாத்ரே தஸ்யைவ நாம ஹரிஷர்வமுகம் ஜகாத ஸ்ரீமாதவः சிவபரோபி புராணசாரே.
Word by word meaning. Hey Isha, O Lord. Iha Brahma Kalpe, in the Brahma Kalpa. Dhatre, to Brahma. Anavritam, revealed. Bhagavata Dvitiya Skandoditam, and narrated in the second skanda of the Bhagavata. Yat Vapuhu, that form. Tasya Eva, to that alone. Hari Sharva Mukham Nama, the names Hari, Sharva, etc. Sri Madhavaha, Sri Madhava, that is Sri Vidyaranya. Shiva Paraha Api, though a devotee of Shiva. Purana Sare Jagada, has given in Purana Sara. Full meaning. O Lord, Sri Vidyaranya, though a devotee of Shiva, has in his Purana Sara given the names Hari, Sharva, etc. only to that form of thine which was revealed to Brahma in the Brahma Kalpa and which is described in the second skandha of the Bhagavata. Om Tat Sat.